In a world where you always have to compete with other businesses, how could you position your business differently in order to sell your products or services quickly? How could you be perceived differently from the competition? Indeed, marketing is a perception game, and you have to act smartly if you want to ethically persuade clients to work with you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 top secrets to position your business differently in order to attract potential clients to buy what you sell. My name is Max Cecco and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Based on my 15-year career selling digital products and services online, there are 3 secrets you should pay close attention to that allow you to be perceived differently from your competition. Let's start with the first one. Differentiation secret number 1. Yourself. I think this is the most underrated element that many people don't understand properly. In today's economy, since people buy people first and then products and services, you can't avoid exploiting your self-image. You are unique. There is no copy of you in the world. So your uniqueness must be your primary element of differentiation no matter what you sell. Physical products or digital products. Especially if you sell online courses and services as I do, you need to put your face in front of a camera to share your expertise on social networks. Selling yourself first is the first element you must consider if you want to create an international brand and overcome your competitors. Let me explain to you why. First of all, today people are more educated, and before investing one single dime in someone they meet for the first time online, they research your name and your brand's name. Your potential customers want to know who you are, how you talk, your opinions and points of view about your expertise, and so on. In other words, people want to be sure you are the perfect guy or girl that can help them overcome their problems, challenges. Secondly, people want to be guided by experts, people who have a true expertise in a specific topic. Let me make a banal example. If you need surgery on your knee, who do you ask for help? A general practitioner or an orthopedic? You have the answer. Creating your social authority takes time, commitment, and consistency, but allows you to build your authority and be seen as the expert people want to work with. In addition, by doing this task, you are beating 95% of your competitors who are unwilling to share their expertise. If you want to win easily in business, you must be willing to do what most people, competitors, don't. Now, let's switch to the second secret to differentiate your business. Differentiation secret number 2. Identify a defined target. This is a very easy concept to understand and at the same time extremely powerful. It has much to do with who you want to serve and allows you to create the right messages and perceptions to attract your ideal client. Let's suppose you are a personal trainer. Based on your knowledge and experience, you can help an indefinite amount of people. You can work with beginners, you can help professionals or athletes, you can help very busy entrepreneurs that don't have too much time to go to the gym regularly. You can help overweight housewives that don't know how to lose weight alone, and so on. One rule in marketing is this: if you are for everyone, you are for no one. Moreover, who you want to serve determines even the prices of your products and services. With that being said, you can identify and differentiate yourself as the specialist or the number 1 or the leader in helping that category of people you want to serve. Based on the target audience I have just mentioned, you can position yourself as the specialist in helping athletes gain the right way to win their challenges, or the leader in helping busy entrepreneurs gain the perfect body shape, or the number 1 in helping housewives get the body they deserve with home exercises. Obviously, I'm not a personal trainer. I have just invented provided some scenarios in order to let you understand what you can do to position yourself in the market and be perceived differently from your ideal client. Once again, marketing is a perception game. Differentiation secret number 3. Your product and services offer. I can't stress you enough regarding the importance of creating sexy products and services people want to buy. This is the main reason why I don't create products or services first. I craft the best offers based on the vehicle I choose to satisfy my ideal clients and the price of the stuff I want to sell. I perfectly know this is a counterintuitive approach, but this is why it is extremely effective and valuable. When you start with the offer creation, you are in the ideal condition to structure your product or service based on your potential client's needs. Then you can consequently create the perfect product, or to better say, the best perceived perfect product your future clients want to buy. I highly recommend you to focus your energies in creating high-ticket products or services, typically sold between $5,000 and $25,000 or even more. Selling high-ticket products or services elevates your brand and your perceived value. Indeed, if you are the cheapest solution, no one expects you to be the best. If you are the best, no one expects you to be the cheapest. The higher the price of your stuff, the better your clients will be, because they are more willing to invest money, they don't complain about anything, they are more committed to getting their desired results, and they don't ask for a refund. And with that being said, if you want to learn the exact process I follow to sell something before creating it, I highly recommend watching this video. 5-step system to sell a digital product before creating it. This content contains priceless information that can change the profitability of your business instantly. So, watch it now!